The course is called Solutions to Environmental Problems, and the program in general introduces environmental problems to students from multiple perspectives.
What I really love about STEP is the fact that it is a hands-on course. This is the first time that I've actually been able to get out and get my hands on something, and we get to do projects, which is really fun.
In many cases they have a product at the end of the class. So, for example, the rain garden group will actually construct a rain garden. And what's unique about the class is that the projects support sustainability at Loyola in general.
We learn about contemporary water issues, the history of water and culture and society, the water cycle, the science of what's in water, what lives in water, what can't live in certain waters.
We're just learning about impacts on the environment that humans have, and really how to better that, what we can do to improve upon it.
We're learning about water issues around the planet and then also in the States.
So basically what we're doing today is we're going out. This is the Chicago River, and we're using nets to identify the certain organisms that are living in the area and how the organisms and just like the water in general, like its qualities of like pH, temperature, and dissolved oxygen affect what can live.
We are writing a proposal right now to try to fund our aquaponics system, and that's a lot more business. I have to talk to people, I have to interact with different groups, different departments to figure out how to get funding for our aquaponics system. So it's collectively, you're interacting with different kind of groups.
So the aquaponics project is my project, and it's basically a mix between aquaculture and hydroponics. So hydroponics would be growing plants without the use of soil, like using water to supply the nutrients, and aquaculture is growing fish. So we're actually going to try to get tilapia to be able to grow tilapia, and then at the same time have like lettuce, I think basil, and Brussels sprouts to be the plants that take out all of the waste that the fish would produce. So they filter the water and then they gain the nutrients from them and then put nutrients back into the water.
The students are promoting sustainability on campus and creating projects that can then be sort of taken over by the next semester. It just becomes this continuum of projects that at each semester the students pave the way for the next group to come in.